Toyota has been a leader in automotive adaptive equipment and mobility for years. In 2010, Toyota became the first U.S. automobile manufacturer to introduce the Auto Access seat, a Toyota-designed, factory-installed, power-rotating lift-up seat which was introduced on the 2011 model Sienna. I'm Mark Oldenburg. Today, sales of Auto Access Seat Siennas have exceeded our expectations with thousands of units in operation with proven success. Unfortunately, many customers who could truly benefit from this unique vehicle are simply unaware that this solution even exists. That's why we're producing this video to help increase awareness of the Auto Access seat. Now I'd like to introduce the other members of the Toyota Mobility team who will tell you more about the Sienna, the Auto Access seat, its features and benefits. First, Bill Burris, our Mobility Sales Manager, will provide an overview.
Thanks, Mark. The Auto Access seat is designed by Toyota engineers and assembled at Toyota's production facility in Princeton, Indiana. The mechanical part of the seat, the fit, and the appearance are all fully integrated into the vehicle from the factory. That helps ensure superior quality and durability. Pinion gear driven for excellent reliability and low noise, the Auto Access seat is a comfortable, automated passenger seat rated at 330 pounds lifting capacity. Its technology and ergonomics are designed to be convenient and comfortable for those needing extra help getting in and out of their vehicle. And it's not just for the person in the seat. It also relieves the physical burden often placed on the caregiver. Using the seat is both easy and convenient thanks to the wireless remote control, or by using the switch on the seat itself. The seat rotates 90 degrees before extending outward from the vehicle. It can be stopped at any height along the way until it reaches a resting point just 19 inches from the ground. It also has an auto recline feature which gives the occupant more head clearance when passing through the door. Inside the cabin, the Auto Access seat faces forward like a captain's chair. It has all the features of a normal power seat. And it comes in a variety of colors and materials matched to the vehicle's interior. Now, because it's a dedicated model, everything on it, including the Auto Access seat, is covered by Toyota's full 36-month factory warranty. Standard Toyota retail and lease financing through Toyota Financial Services is available, as is the Toyota Mobility reimbursement.
In fact, Toyota Mobility will reimburse $1,000 to the original retail buyer. With over 1,200 dealers nationwide, Toyota offers convenient locations to serve you. You can also see the Auto Access seat in action at auto shows or schedule an appointment with your local Toyota dealer. The rest of this video is divided into 4 sections: operating procedures, safety and comfort, financing, Toyota-supported adaptive equipment. Now I'd like to introduce Stephen Delamonica, Senior Mobility Engineer, who will explain the functionality of this innovative model.
Thanks, Mark. Toyota has engineered the operation of the Auto Access seat to be simple and intuitive, with safety and comfort as top priorities. I think you'll find that Toyota has engineered a system that combines safety and comfort in a stylish package. The Auto Access seat is operated either with a wireless remote control or a switch at the side of the seat, depending upon your individual preference. As the Auto Access seat moves out of the vehicle, it can be stopped at any point, allowing for perfect transfer height. This accommodates those who use a mobility aid or need the seat cushion to be adjusted higher or lower for comfort. This feature is a welcome aid for those who have trouble standing up from a low-seated position. As the Auto Access seat moves through the door, it automatically reclines to provide ample clearance. As the seat continues into the Sienna, it rotates 90 degrees so the passenger is facing forward. With the seat in the home position, the power door will close. Then, the Auto Access seat in place, the Sienna is ready to go places. While the previous section on operating procedures touched on some of the safety, comfort, and convenience features of the Auto Access seat, this section will explain them further. The Auto Access seat meets all federal motor vehicle safety standards. In fact, families with children will appreciate that it is universally suited for all child seats that follow the ISOFIX latch standard. For safety, the Sienna's transmission must be in park for the power door to open. When the seat is deployed, the The Sienna is engineered to recognize this and prevents the door from trying to close in the seat. The shifter stays in park until the seat reaches its home position. One of the benefits of Toyota's remote control is that there are no wires to get tangled or damaged, a common problem for some aftermarket seats. You also have several convenient options for storing the remote control, on the side of the seat for easy access, or in a pocket or a purse. And in the unlikely event that power to the seat gets interrupted, there's a manual override. Which brings us to one of the best features of the Auto Access Seat Sienna, the peace of mind knowing it's engineered and manufactured by Toyota, covered by the new car warranty, and serviced at any Toyota dealership nationwide. Once the seat is positioned inside the Sienna, the Auto Access seat functions just like any other fully powered seat. There are slide switches on both sides of the seat for the convenience of both the caregiver and the occupant, allowing the seat to be adjusted for additional legroom and preferred seat angle. The seat has been engineered so the occupants sit at the same height as all other passengers. Unlike many aftermarket products, the Auto Access seat is integrated with the vehicle's electronics. This means it operates off the Sienna's main service battery and not a separate system. Now that you're acquainted with the operation and features, here's Bill Burris to help put one in your driveway.
Since the Auto Access Seat Sienna is a regular Toyota model, it enjoys the same purchase, lease, and financing options of any other Toyota vehicle. Your Toyota dealer has the latest information on current incentives. One of the major advantages of factory installation of the Auto Access seat is that you don't have to pay for it separately. It's already included in the base price. Plus, Toyota Financial Services has special plans for mobility customers. Now, not only that, it's eligible for the Toyota Mobility reimbursement that Mark mentioned earlier. That's a $1,000 check paid to the original retail buyer 6 to 8 weeks after purchase. Best of all, integration at the point of assembly allows us to price the Auto Access seat lower than a comparable aftermarket product. Now that's a financing option everyone can appreciate. But the Auto Access seat isn't for everyone. The final section of this video introduces you to a full range of mobility products offered through mobility equipment dealers outside the Toyota network, like wheelchair accessible Siennas, wheelchair and scooter lifts, hitch-mounted carriers for wheelchairs and scooters, plus turning and lifting seats. Toyota's mobility reimbursement also provides financial assistance for driver aids, such as hand controls, steering devices, and left foot accelerators on any new Toyota vehicle. Requirements and limitations are detailed on the reimbursement form, which can be downloaded from toyotamobility.com. Now, if you're unsure which solution best suits your need, Toyota Mobility urges you to contact a driver assessment specialist. Helpful resources like these can typically be found at hospitals or clinics. We even have a listing on our website.
We encourage you to contact your local Toyota dealer with any questions. You can also consider contacting one of us as a resource. And thanks for watching.